What's up, guys? So we are here up in New Hampshire, and my good friend Stefan actually helped us out immensely, and we have a full roll cage in the car, and we are picking it up. It's been about a month since I've seen the car, and I cannot contain my excitement. I'm just beyond happy, and yeah, we're gonna go check it out, and like I can't get a smile off my face. I am so excited to see this car. And here she is, guys. Oh my god. Oh, this looks insane. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh, the amount of work that was put into this is insane. All of the detail as well. The welding is amazing. The center parts look beautiful. This does not look like this does not look like my car. This is I don't even I don't know what to say. It's so beautiful. It's like I said, the amount of work that was put into this is crazy. I would have never expected to be able to have something of this quality in my car, and it's amazing. I've missed this car. Oh my god. This is crazy. Oh my god. So yeah, the cage turned out amazing. Big shout out to AutoCouture banging out that cage. Looks beautiful, looks amazing, and now we need to paint it. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of work, but I will be getting content of that out soon. So hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching.